Prys AI maximizes Shopify search installs. First, prioritize your SEO keywords. For every keyword, see quality, difficulty, and search volume, combined into potency, revenue potential. Your keywords are prioritized by it. Then, run an AI audit. Get an optimization score and improvement suggestions. Then, optimize your copy with AI. Work with the AI to perfect your copy until you're satisfied. Watch your optimization score grow. Save and download. After you publish, Prys keeps watching, suggesting improvements, and helping you apply them. To maximize your Shopify search installs. Maximize your Shopify search installs with Prys AI. Prys.io, Shopify app growth platform.